Could you open up the hatch? Does it open or is it closed? Alright, appreciate it, man. What's up, man? How you doing? Oh, thank you. I'm doing one right now. Yeah. What's your name? Chris. Chris, alright. To hear it, man. Get a demo, sure. Be great. I appreciate you letting me up and see it. It's cool. Fired up, Bill. Alright. I like the way you built the mids and highs and tweeters like on the side of it. Oh yeah. So that way you utilize your space to get the music output as well. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. It's done pretty clean. Audio Unique in Mayo, Florida. Okay. That's who me and my two buddies, Lee Lawson. He's the owner of Auto Unique. Yeah. And Kevin, he's like one of the master builders. Okay. He sets it all up and. Hold on, guys. Yep. So. All right, man. We'll get it playing real quick.
Sure, man.
Awesome, man. Yeah, man, thanks.
Heck yeah, dude, that thing's loud. I didn't for no wall.
It'll get with it. You can check under the hood.
Yeah, I'd love to, man.
I'm running 5 batteries total.
Okay.
On a 320 amp alternator. Yeah, man.
Can I see the amp rack in the back? I mean, if there's a way to see the door open, the seat. That looks awesome.
Yeah, I got a little bit of cleaning up to do, but
that's all right. Would you tell me a full run around of everything in here for the equipment?
All right, so I got 2 SK3500 V2s running at half an ohm on the 4 VXF 15s, and then I've got this 1300 by 2 that's running my doors and tweeters up front, and then I've got these two DS18 1Ks that are running my mids and highs in the back there as well. And then I'm running a PR80 head unit, and then CES alternator is what I'm running right now. And then I've got 4 AGM batteries under here.
Down here.
Yeah.
Looks good, man.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I got a trim panel to put right there. Just didn't have time.
It's all right.
That's how it goes.
And what was your name?
My name's Dillon Green.
Dillon Green. Okay.
I'm with Auto Unique over in Mayo.
Yep. Unique. All right.
Over in Mayo, Florida.
All right. Awesome. Thanks for the demo.
Yep.
ending this video with a thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the video tomorrow.